Welcome to our online English class. Today I am going to teach in prose. The topic is how poor we are. Now I am going to read it loudly. You have to practice 3 or 4 times at your home. Once upon a time, there was a very rich man. Along with his family, lived in a big palatial building on the top of a hill. His house was surrounded by tall boundary walls like the Chinese Great Wall. The walls were his protection from outside attacks. He too had private soldiers and a great bulldog to protect him in moonlight. The building looked very beautiful. From there, one could see the river, small hills, long stretches of paddy fields, small hordes of poor farmers scattered all around, all flooded by the magic of moonlight. During the moonless dark nights, the building had a special look of its own. The building, the walls of around, and the gardens inside were lit by lamps. This para you have to practice at your reading. Then I elaborate this para eloquently. This para or the topic in this para, there is poor and rich. The father always try to make his son rich, but his son is denied to be a rich one and follow the principles of living a rich one. Till the father learn a big lessons from his son about what the wealth is. Now the theme, once upon a time there was a very rich man. There is a hilltop, there is a lonely place. A rich man was making a building there. The rich father had all that one needs to lead a luxurious life. He lived in a big palatial building surrounded by the tall boundary walls built on the top of a hill. He had appointed private soldiers for his protection and also had a great bulldog. His house looked very beautiful in the moonlight, and he also had artificial lamps to keep his building bright to the moonless dark night. He enjoyed his life like a king. This is about this para, and I write some words. One note you write in your notebook. Surrounded. Covered from all sides. Chinese Great Wall. Historic Great Wall of China. Historic China. Bulldog. A type of strong dog. Stretch. Occupy a large area. Paddy field. Made of straw and this is about today's. Tomorrow will be another part I will teach you.